Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. This video is another episode where I draw an anime character in my own Western comic book style. In previous videos I already drew Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z, Kaneki from Tokyo Ghoul and Team Rocket from Pokemon. But for this week's video I'm tackling an anime series that you may not know. It was popular during the 80s and there is a reboot on Netflix at the moment, but it's not so good. And that series is Saint Seiya or Knights of the Zodiac. And I remember as a child this was one of the first anime series I ever saw and it just blew my mind. But don't worry if you've never heard of this series, while drawing I will tell you all about it. So let's not wait any longer, let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Saint Seiya, also known as Knights of the Zodiac, is a Japanese manga series written and illustrated by Masami Kurimada. It was serialized in Weekly Shonen Jump from 1986 to 1990. The story follows 5 mystical warriors called Saints who fight wearing sacred sets of armor named cloth, the designs of which derive from the various constellations the characters have adopted as their destined guardian symbols and empowered by a mystical energy called Cosmo. The Saints have sworn to defend the reincarnation of the Greek goddess Athena in her battle against other Olympian gods who want to dominate Earth. The manga was adapted by Toei Animation into a 114-episode anime television series which was broadcast on TV Asahi from 1986 to 1989. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. For my illustration I chose to draw the character Pegasus Seiya or simply Seiya. He is a fictional character in the Saint Seiya manga series and is the protagonist of the series. Seiya is one of the 88 mythical warriors known as saints who have served the goddess Athena throughout the ages. As a saint, Seiya wears a powerful armor of divine origins known as a cloth, the one which represents the constellation of Pegasus, the winged horse. Seiya also possesses superhuman strength and speed, 2 of the extraordinary abilities the saints draw from their guardian constellations and the inner essence called Cosmo. And tell me guys, did you know this anime series and do you want me to draw other characters from this series as well? Let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Saint Seiya, and tell me guys, are there some other anime series you would like me to draw as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if you guys liked the video, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!